Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about cabbage, and I have a list of suggested, very specific food and flavoring combinations that are known to work well with cabbage. So if you're looking for some new ideas, recipe, menu, meal ideas using cabbage, hopefully this will help you out. The list is a little long, so I've broken it into two parts. This is part one. I'll have a link to part two below. Combine cabbage with apples, brown sugar, caraway seeds, and vinegar. Combine cabbage with apples, brown sugar, onions, and vinegar. How about cabbage with apples and caraway seeds? Cabbage with apples, garlic, olive oil, tarragon, and vinegar. Cabbage with apples and yogurt. Cabbage with Asian noodles, cilantro, sesame oil, sesame sauce, and soy sauce. How about cabbage with balsamic vinegar, feta cheese, and sunflower seeds? Or cabbage with brown rice, pine nuts, and tomatoes? How about cabbage with carrots, cider vinegar, mayonnaise, and mustard? That's the end of part one. Stay tuned for part two. Take care. Bye for now.